Juhl Jaxen, stop for a second. I have a light language activation that I want to share with you today, a gift for you. And what's coming through to share is this. There is an issue with relationships. There is some complication. There's some misunderstandings. There's some, we always say that we have issues in our tissues, but this is issues in the relationship. So I channel both ancient and galactic languages that come through, that go to you, your soul, your cellular DNA level, to help you to activate. Remember who you are, where you came from, and it continues to work for you to grow and evolve. So check in with relationships. You may know what they are right away, or you might be like, well, I'm not quite sure. It doesn't matter. This activation will help you to support your relationships that you have. But what I'm picking up is that there's just some issues happening. There's some misunderstandings or some friction. So this light language activation will help bring some peace and harmony and some compassion, some compromise to the relationship at hand. So if you found this video, there's no mistake. So stay here with me and get this light language activation right now. Here we go. Take a breath. Your eyes can be open or closed. Calling in the light language now to support this relationship dynamic. Koro ora tara to shona moravike tara or doro, Nare Santare Carebrivoto, no shana de duro bavari canieta, Noroshana itera, Saraveketina, Kunomonavada, Morora, Cremono Vasatarene, Norora, Medeva Caniganda, Ketcha Onareta, Heneva eta, Kona esa ena, Hoa Enesha Shashaneta, Hoa Enikananda Shonete, Hoa Enaeta ea. Nani reta rekara santoro vada vacanina nana erada. Anara daya da satani varicanera santanera. Hiana satari ha toro nareka ita. Ha to shosho tanava careseta do horomana vete cateta to shunita. Caneta eo a asha ineta a. Hey, anegazata trea. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, take a nice deep breath. And just notice what you notice with that one. That one was pretty cool. But pay attention. Everybody experiences these light language activations differently. And journal about it, meditate on it, allow it to come to you, and notice how these relationships shift. Leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. There'll be more. I'm here, Juhl Jaxen. All right, bye for now.